Coming up, my Ender 3 Pro board replacement and fun with Creality. Hey guys, Chris Sergeant Taz here. So recently, if you see my last video, I thought I did something wrong with the thermistor, and I thought I did put a 12 volt in versus a 24 volt. After actually looking at what I had in my kit, it was a 12-24 volt either or. So obviously there was something else wrong, and I went back and checked and ran everything through, and it appears that my Mosfet that's on the board had somehow failed. So I decided, well, I had ordered the board anyway, so let me get that right out of the box. I ordered a 1.1.4 that I figured I was going to replace in my Ender 3 Pro anyways. But I figured I'd email Creality and their after sales service and see what they'd say. So after backing forth a few times with emails, I get more or less the gist of they're not going to do anything for me. I need to contact my seller, which doesn't make any sense to me. Sorry, but the seller to me isn't responsible for taking care of a warranty service. This is like 3 months in already on the actual Ender 3 itself, and why the seller will be responsible, I don't know. I did email them and they recommended I contact service. So I'll be getting an email run around between seller and Creality. Creality wanted a video of my problem, which I tried to explain to them that I really don't feel comfortable powering this board back up when I'm getting thermal runaway. I really don't feel like burning my house down to get a video to show you the board's messed up. So I think that's kind of awkward. Their biggest thing was they can't send me anything and more or less are not going to help me with replacing this board. So is what it is. I bought another board and I've subsequently put it on my machine. There's some weird issues with the 114. Now, from what I've heard, it already had the bootloader attached. It doesn't appear to have it. I've tried to upload my newer firmware because I'm sure this one doesn't have thermal runaway protection on either, and I've been running into errors. So once I'm done with this video, I'm going to see what the issue is. I put the board in and got the board working no problem. So it actually prints well, and it's a little bit quieter with the new stepper drivers, I think. I hear a difference from that one there actually is a stock, and then this one has the newer board on it. So there is that, but I'm sure I'll have to add some updates further along the line. I did a quick little montage video of me taking it apart. I just didn't focus on it because I figured everyone's seen the inside of these things pretty much. There's a ton of videos out there like Teaching Tech and those guys that actually take it apart and go through step by step what you need to do. So I don't want to recreate pretty much what I've learned from them anyways and the way of fixing some of this stuff. So I don't want to like steal somebody else's and take away their credit. So I just kind of ran through really quick just to show you I took it apart. I also added in my own MOSFETs, so that way I zero out the problem on the board with the power fluctuations and what have you, because I don't think they're strong enough for what we're doing on a constant basis. If you use your printer a lot, I don't think it's the best thing to have. You probably should add your own MOSFETs. So I've added those. I got a picture of those for you. Like I said, most of these folks out here already do videos on how to add those, so I don't think I really need to cover that. But just a thought, you can do it yourself. It's not that big of an issue. So if you take your time, sit down and go through some of this stuff, it's pretty easy to get around. And like I said, I would add MOSFETs to my board just because of the fact that you know they're there, you know they're a better unit. These are really nice. I actually had a problem with this one, in fact, and I emailed Gulf Coast Robotics, told them that I had an issue with it. They apologized, of course, and then immediately sent me a new one out, which is great customer service. Unlike Creality, who's going to tell me, oh, we can't send nothing out, you need to contact the seller. I'm sorry, I don't need to contact the seller. They sold me the product that was working. Now I'm into the warranty phase of this, and you're going to just blow me off. So that's fine. I should take a video of my house burning down so that they can tech support me on how to fix something that I know is broken already, and I already did my own tech support. So I really didn't need them. I guess I just had to spend the $50 and get a new board. So that's where I'm at so far with this. I hope you enjoyed what little video I had on this. Thanks for watching, and if you get a chance to like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Take care, guys, and I'll see ya.